So testing out the new Mic Mini today. Currently mounted next to chest mount strap. See what it's like. See how well it blocks out the wind. See if you can still hear my voice. And obviously, because the microphone's attached to me, shouldn't matter how far away I am from the camera. I should still pick it up. Let's go and have a look. Right, so testing out the new Mic Mini today. Got it currently mounted next to the chest mount strap. We'll see what it's like. See how well it blocks out the wind. See if you can still hear my voice. And obviously, because the microphone's attached to me, shouldn't matter how far away I am from the camera. I should still pick it up. So let's go and have a look. Right, it's top of Vicar Water viewpoint. Quite exposed. It's usually quite windy up here, so we'll see how it fares with a bit of wind noise. Cheers. Right, I'm not going to leave the mic on for the rest of the ride. I just wanted to test it really from the top where it can be quite windy, just to see how it sounds, see if there's any tweaks I need to do, because there's no point ruining the whole ride if the audio is not very good. And at the minute, until I play it back, I've got no idea how good or bad the sound is, so that'll be the end of this short test.